Okay, just experimenting with the Xenon HID lamp, the type you find in a car headlight. It's a 35 watt device, and I'll just fire that up there. I'm measuring the current, and there's the globe doing its thing as it warms up and gets nice and hot. As it gets hotter, the current goes down. But I've set this up here so that I've got the negative of this capacitor hooked to the battery and the positive to this diode, which is hooked. Let me disconnect the... So it's hooked to the tip, the strike wire that provides power to the other side of the Xenon, and so I'm reading voltage across the cap. And what's weird about it is if we look at the voltage on the cap, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come along and touch like that, 4.8, touch it again, 0.18, touch it again. I've lost the lamp. Fire the lamp back up. Tap it really quick, I get 7 volts. I had it up to 60 before. Strike it real quick. Oh, too long. 20. There's current behind it, because if I use a chicken stick here to short that out, you'll see that there's a fairly decent spark will come off. So yeah, I just thought I'd document that. Look at link in the description for context. Bob Greenyer, Martin Fleischmann Memorial Project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to, you know the drill.